going to start with a slip knot, and we're just going to chain 5. I go into more depth on how to do this in my single crochet video if you wanted to check that out. So very quickly, just chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just insert your hook and do a normal single crochet. Then we want to do a single crochet on top of the single crochet. So as you can see, we've got a nice little V here. So you just want to pop your crochet hook into the V that is on the left, then yarn over, pull through 2 as if you're doing another single crochet, and that's a single crochet on top of a single crochet. And now we're ready to do a double crochet. Now we have that added height. Okay, so to do a double crochet, the main difference is that you yarn over before you do the stitch. So if we were to do a single crochet, we would just go straight in, but for double crochet we want to take the yarn from the back to the front first. Then we would, just the same as if we were doing a single crochet, go in through the middle of the V, pull through, and then we yarn over again, so from the back to the front into the hook, and then pull through 2, and then we've still got 2 on our hook. In order to continue, we only need 1, so we yarn over again and pull through 2, and that is a double crochet. It's like a nice little post, and this is the stitch that you'll need to know how to do if you want to learn how to do cables, which I will have a video on that very soon, so if you want to subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. I'll show you one more time. So yarn over through the middle of the V, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, thanks for watching.